Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a compact drone that can capture high-quality aerial footage without carrying a huge piece of equipment, the DJI Mini 4K is definitely worth checking out. One of its biggest advantages is the weight. The aircraft weighs about 246 grams in its standard configuration, keeping it under the 249-gram category. DJI also emphasizes its compact, travel-friendly design. Always check the drone regulations where you live before flying. DJI Official. Now let's talk about the camera. The Mini 4K features a 2.3-inch CMOS sensor with 12-megapixel effective pixels and can record video at up to 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. It can also record 2.7K and Full HD video at higher frame rates. DJI Official. Pause. One feature that's especially important for aerial video is stabilization. The DJI Mini 4K uses a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, helping keep footage smooth and steady while the drone is moving. DJI Official. DJI also includes useful automated features such as quick shots, panorama, return to home, and stable hovering, making the drone more approachable for people getting started with aerial photography. DJI Store. Battery life is another highlight. DJI rates the Mini 4K for up to 31 minutes of maximum flight time under controlled testing conditions. Real-world results can vary depending on conditions and how the aircraft is operated. DJI Official. The drone also uses DJI's O2 video transmission system, with a rated maximum transmission distance of up to 10 km under FCC conditions in an unobstructed environment. That's a laboratory-style maximum, not a distance you should treat as a normal operating target. DJI Official. Pause. There are some limitations. The camera uses a relatively small 2.3-inch sensor, and this model doesn't offer some of the advanced obstacle sensing and tracking features found on more expensive DJI drones. But that's also the point of the Mini 4K. It's compact, relatively lightweight, capable of 4K video, 3-axis stabilization, intelligent shooting modes, and up to 31 minutes of rated flight time. Overall, if you're looking for a portable DJI drone focused on straightforward aerial photography without stepping into the more expensive professional models, the DJI Mini 4K is a very interesting option. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews. I'll see you in the next video.